Bonding EVA foam into L-shaped foam edge protector.
Except EVA can also bond EPE, XP, XLP, XP, foam, etc. Firmly bonding correct alignment. Bonding EPE foam into U-shaped foam edge protector. It's suitable for furniture edge protector. Hot air nozzle ensure uniform hot air out and strong bonding. Adjustable width and height, suitable for many different sizes. Bonding EPE foam into 4-wall foam box. Material thickness can be 100 ideal for making foam box with different sizes. Maximum working height is 500 millimeters. Maximum working width 300. Power is 4 kW. Voltage is 220 volts, AC, single phase. Perfect 4-wall foam box. Bonding EPE foam tubes. The machine can bond different products and different materials. One machine meets all your needs, and its price is very competitive. If you like this video, please like or comment.